I am so excited for today's video. I'm going to be trying out some new innovative makeup from Deck of Scarlet today. Shout out to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring today's video. Deck of Scarlet is a high performance makeup brand, high quality, 100% vegan and cruelty free, and they are breaking the boredom in clean beauty. Deck of Scarlet has committed to banning over 1,400 ingredients in their formulations, including parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, and synthetic fragrance. This is my go-to makeup when I am in a hurry but I want to look put together. This is such a diverse look. I feel like this could be, you know, mom on the go, everyday makeup, or this could be a date night look. I feel like it's so versatile. So this is one of my favorite go-to makeup looks. This takes me 5 to 10 minutes depending on what's going on around me, but this is my really quick and easy go-to makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So I've already moisturized and my skin is ready for foundation. Now you can use a tinted moisturizer, your go-to foundation, just whatever you use to even out your skin tone. We're gonna go in with that. I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. I am only going to take one pump because this is pretty full coverage. So this is the makeup I do when I am in a hurry, but I still want to look put together. And I just use my fingers to work this in. I don't use a lot of brushes when I do this look. And I like to tap, especially right here on the center of my face, just so I get more of a full coverage. So now that I evened out my skin tone, I look pretty ghostly. I have like no color right now. I'm so fair. I definitely want to bring color back into my face. So I'm gonna take my Deck of Scarlet Mistake Proof bronzer and I'm just going to spray it on the brush. Taking my Deck of Scarlet brush, I'm going to use this side for my bronzer. I'm going to swirl it on the back of my hand here. This color is so nice because it's not too warm. And then I'm going to go in. Take it around my hairline. This stuff is so easy to use. It just like melts right into the skin. Pick up the product and do my cheekbones. And it's so natural looking. I love it. And it gives this beautiful glow without like having to do any work. You literally, as you can see, I'm just like dabbing it on my face and it just like, there's no harsh lines. It literally is mistake proof. Like you cannot mess this up. This has been a go-to for me when it comes to like my quick, I need to be out the door, because you cannot mess this up. It's so easy. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna take the rest and then take that onto my chin. It gives a very like airbrushed look. I want to add more color back into my face. I'm gonna take the Deck of Scarlet Mistake Proof blush and this side for my blush. Couple sprays. And again, take that to the back of my hand and then take it to my cheeks. The glow and the glow this gives is, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's the most natural, beautiful glow I've ever had on my face. It's so pretty. And then I'm also going to take it to the tip of my nose. I love how natural this base is, and again, it's so quick and easy. I don't even need to put highlight on because I'm just like glowing. I love it. So next I'm going to bring some life back into my lips, and I'm going to use Deck of Scarlet 3-way solid lip oil. It's packed with hyaluronic acid. It combines the nourishing hydration of an oil, impact of a color, and all-out shine of a gloss all in one. Just swipe on like you would a regular lipstick. The texture starts as a solid and melts into this really luxurious plush oil. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It shows me you care. Be sure to subscribe. Click on the link down below in the description box and use my code for 20% off your first order at deckofscarlet.com. Bye.